Hello and welcome to Indaba Capital with me, Tabi. I'll be talking updates on the Senzo Metiwa case as it resumes after recess. If it's your first time stopping by, please subscribe and hit the like button to promote this video. Let's get straight into the proceedings of today for the Senzo Metiwa case.
This is what he's saying. Ikhoto uma ifuna ukuqhubeka ngenkani yayo ingaqhubeka. Kodwa mina yazi ukuthi ngihlukumezekile engqondweni. Ngicabanga indlela engihlukumezeke ngayo. Therefore request, my lord, that this trial should then stop.
Stop?
Yes. It is his request. Those are my instructions. That is what he's instructing me.
Let me tell you, I've never ever heard of a trial which is suspended on those bases.
Yes, we are back at the Pretoria High Court for the Senzo Metiwa trial as it resumes after the break, as we said. And guess what? Nothing has changed. The judge is still the judge. And Mr. Baloyi, Advocate Baloyi, is still ducking and diving with relevant documents. This is how it started. It started with Mnisi telling the court that, look, accused number 3 is still in solitary confinement, and Ratha went on to tell them that there was nothing that he could do. He could not address the matter in his court, whereas when we had left for recess, he had made it a point that he will speak to somebody. He was very eager to. It sounded like there's something going on there. Was he reprimanded maybe by the judge president? What is going on in this case? Is there any justice? Understand that accused number 3 is no saint, but however, being kept secluded for over 4 years is an injustice. It is inhumane. Remember how people felt during COVID-19 and how that affected people's mental health. Imagine that, seeing nothing, not even your neighbor. The only time he gets any community is when he is in court, which he has to concentrate so that he can hear what is his fate concerning the Senzo Metiwa trial. Obviously, he knows what's his fate in other cases. Now, this was really disappointing. We know there was a bit of back and forth between Mnisi and the judge, and also the accused number 3 in terms of trying to find a way forward. And then another item that was brought up was accused number 1. Accused number 1 required that his ID document be brought back to him because he needs it so that his family, rather his children as well, could be able to access education as they need him as the father. So it turns out that his ID was never brought back, whereas other accused IDs were returned. So Judge Ratha then made a suggestion that maybe they could give him a copy that can be certified, and then that copy can be used by his family while his document is with the court. And then obviously, you know him, Advocate Baloyi was not keen on that. It seemed like that, and he was ducking and diving. So that matter is also still pending to be resolved. So today we were supposed to, as we got in, get straight into the ballistic expert, or is it expert or is it analyst? Depends on who's asking in this case. So Ndini, who had previously testified, will now return to the witness stand, and he continues his cross-examination. Now remember that during his testimony, Ndini confirmed the testimony of the first ballistic expert, which was Chris Mangena. Let's remember that it is now 10 years after the day that Meyiwa was shot and killed at the parental home of his former girlfriend, the singer Kelly Khumalo. And justice has not been served since. The trial still continues. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more updates. See you on the next video.